and welcome back to another video, guys. We are here today and we are at a little farm called Trevevin, near Weybridge, and yeah, we're going to be pumpkin picking today. So we're going to go down and see who can pick the best pumpkins, and yeah, maybe we'll take them home tomorrow and then tonight, and then we'll carve them. But yeah, if you haven't been here before, this is what it looks like. So yeah, we'll bring you back when we're at the pumpkin patch.
Oh, some of them are actually really small. But yeah, I'll be careful.
Oh, can I have a green one this year? Can I get a pumpkin?
Yeah, but let's just see the other. You want that one? Oh, and then it's this one.
Mum, I got mine. Oh no, the root just fell off.
Let me carry it.
That's okay, you don't need the root on.
Can you walk up? There's lots of them.
You don't need the root on.
Are they actually grown here?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, that's not a good one. So in this patch, the pumpkins are actually grown here, which is
Here's one.
pretty good.
Yeah, I haven't found mine yet.
That's a nice one, look.
I found one.
Should we take a walk further up?
Yeah, maybe we'll come back
What's
for
the way
these.
near the top?
Maybe come back for these if there's not any. Do you think they just get stuck here, Mum?
No, they're grown shit on it.
Oh, look how tiny this one is. Look how tiny this one is.
Alfie, have you found any yet?
Yeah.
Go on then, which ones do you like?
Do you want this one?
That was up good, mate. Don't sell it, don't sell it.
No. Some
Let me
pumpkin.
carry it.
Some pumpkin. Oh, look! I found a hidden pumpkin.
This one's stuck on here.
Yeah, this one is as well.
They're all stuck. That's good.
Yeah, so normally I think pumpkin picking is the biggest scam, purely for the fact that what's that? Well, I found that.
Oh, you cut a cord.
Normally I find pumpkin picking a scam because they normally just buy a load of pumpkins in and throw them on a field. But as you can see, they are actually grown here, which is amazing. I hate it when you go in pumpkin picking and then they're all grown. Ooh, that one's got a hole in it.
That's a little small one.
These are really cute.
You see this one?
That's a nice one.
They haven't got a wheelbarrow.
Let's see your ones. I'm not too sure they're pumpkins.
Oh, what would you call
I
them?
don't know.
Peppers.
They're obviously pumpkins, aren't they? But just deformed one. That's a nice one, Alfie.
I want to see if there's any green ones.
Why don't you go and see if you can find a wheelbarrow?
No, because they're right at the beginning.
Oh, were they? I didn't see any over there.
See them either, so they can go by right at the beginning.
Right, we're going to carry on looking
Until we
and then
find
we'll
a wheelbarrow.
find what we want.
Which one do you want to carry? We're just going to take
So-
the tree home.
You're going to take the whole tree home.
No, we're not.
It's actually a nice small one though.
Take it then.
Oh, I don't want that one whole root. No, that was still smaller.
If you carve that, it looked like it's got a hat on. Jack-o'-lantern with a hat.
Yeah, that'll look cool.
It will look cool.
Right.
And I just still can't believe she found a green one. A blue corn. It's amazing that you found corn. Green one, green one, green one. Can't wait to find
What about these ones, Jackson?
No, I'm looking for green one.
That one's alright, look. No, pick that one up.
That'll go see it. Mum! I got one. Oh my god, they're crossing already, bro. Got one, Mum. I got one here. Another green one. What? Another green one.
Take the leaves away, mate.
I'll
There you go.
They're free.
Do you actually want that one?
No.
No, we'll put it down then.
For these?
No. People have to buy these. These are cute little ones. Oh.
Let's see, yeah, them two. Let's have a look at them.
They're actually really nice.
Hang on, Jackson, wait.
Nice.
I'll go see Mummy then.
Go on then.
Mum, here they are. Let's check both of them.
It's just rows and rows and rows of pumpkins.
Found the green one, but I don't want it. I got one for you. Yeah. Whoever finds the most green wins.
Yeah, I would say don't bring a pram up here because there's no chance of getting it through. I mean, these weeds are literally waist height.
Right then.
What?
Right, so where are we going now? What are we doing? We need to find some that we need. Has Alfie got his?
Alfie's got a little one.
Oh, okay.
I think I'm going to...
Jackson, do you want a little one?
No, I'm going to like a little big one. Like this one. Basically like... What? These.
We don't want too big, mate. We have to get them in the car. In the big full.
We can hold them.
There's little ones over there, Jackson.
Where?
What about that one there, look?
Where? This one?
No, next one over.
This one?
Yeah.
No.
Why?
This one.
No, that one's a nice little one.
Don't like small ones.
Well, Alfie's got a small one.
Yeah, Alfie's got a little one.
I'll go for this one. If there's any more I like, I'll grab. Oh! Oh! Ew!
Oh, did that one come with a free snail?
Yeah.
So you're not going to pick it up now then?
Don't need it. Hello?
What about that one next year?
This one?
Yeah. What's that one look like?
I'll take it.
That's been eaten on the side.
Have a look. I'll take it.
You taking that little one?
Yeah, but I don't know if I want it or not. I might.
Why?
Well, keep hold of it, and if you see
keep hold of
something
it, yeah.
else, you get it. Should we go right over to the end and
We
walk
go
down?
and have a look over there.
Go.
Right, we're just going to walk over and walk back down.
I just found this tiniest pumpkin.
Right, start again. Go.
I just found this tiniest pumpkin.
It is tiny. It's cute. So this used to be a cornfield. I don't know if they do pick your own corn here as well. I know they do strawberries here as well. Come strawberry season. Sorry about the whinging. I've got little miss here going to sleep. So I found myself my little mini pumpkin. It's cute. So I picked that one for Alara. So now we're just going to go and have photos done.
We love pumpkin picking.
Right, are you ready? Smile, look at me, Alfie.
Ready? Let's go down the slide. I'm gonna put my pumpkin.
So we're going to sit over here by there?
This one, go, 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 run.
Mum, there you go. That's just what we're picking. Yeah, it is.
You going to sit on this one?
Right, ready, boys? Look.
Say cheese!
Cheese.
Alfie, say smelly pumpkins!
Smelly pumpkin.
Wait until it's
So,
clear.
the boys are going to go down the slides. So we're going to go up and meet them at the bottom. Big snake slide.
Yeah, it's right. Yeah, meet you at the bottom. Yeah, bomb.
You alright, Alf?
That's a good way.
Yeah.
Jackson's coming!
That was a good one.
No.
Will you be? No. Let's go! Alfie!
I told you not to go down.
That was a bit underwhelming.
Oh, Alfie.
So we've got Jackson about to go down on the zip line. Ready? Oh, false start. And here he comes. So we've got a couple of sheep here. So the kids have found some rabbits.
I'm going to get some grass, aren't you, boys?
Yeah.
Just imagine, this is what your garden will look like in 4 or 5 years' time. You'll have rabbits.
Alfie, do you want some of the tunnel?
Just take it off me.
He's probably hungry.
That's what I was
Like
gonna
fresh
do.
grass.
Just have it in his cage.
Watch your fingers.
Rabbits always like grass.
They do. Have you gone through the tunnel, Alfie?
Yeah.
baby, come out this way. They're coming out this way. And there's another one behind. Jackson, have you got his wellies?
Yeah.
Oh.
What happened to your shoes, Alfie? What happened to your shoes?
Right, put your wellies back
I'm
on.
on the bike.
Well done. Put your wellies on. Put your wellies on. What are you doing?
You can make a sandcastle, Alfie? Oh, cool.
Oh, there, you want to go in the hole? Go on then. Careful you don't fall in. Careful. Jump in. Whoa.
Go on then, Alfie.
Jackson, we'll go on in a minute. I've got a pound.
So what do you think of it then?
That's okay.
You enjoying it? Yeah? These are pumpkins we're going to go for?
Yeah, I think so. Yes, Jack.
So I think that one's
I'm gonna go and
Jackson's
have a
green
look at the food
pumpkin.
menu in a minute, alright?
And then that one is Alara's.
This is mine.
Yeah, we just said that. And that one's Alfie's.
We have little ones. Yeah.
So 3 cute little pumpkins.
Right.
Oh, the guy on this one is better. Okay, ready?
Wow, Alfie! Look at you! Don't crash! What are you digging up?
What's that? Out of order, right? That's right.
Don't run me over! Don't run me over! Don't run me over!
Go, quick. We've got to go again. We're still going. Jackson's on that one, darling. Oh no, we're going round the corner. Right, go back round and then we'll see.
Hey Jax, do you know what you're doing? Oh.
I'm making it now.
I think you got to dig up some sand. Now put it down. That's it, right down. You're going down now, scoot it up, bring it forward. Go back, that's it. There you go. Now go.
And I've got to spin the whole vehicle round.
Oh, I think that's it.
Come on, do it.
Oh, Alfie, you're off-roading?
No, I've got no more now.
Thanks. You get some more to do to get one on the back.
No, don't worry about it. Actually, what's he going?
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Right, he's going the wrong way, guys.
Oh,
I'll put some back.
you crashed.
Right, push him back. Right, this way.
I think he should take his foot off the accelerator.
Go. Go, Ralphie.
Go!
Come back, boys.
Go!
Jackson. You're off-roading.
Think we've run out now.
Right, press your foot down, Alfie.
I think they've run out.
Oh.
Oh
Well
dear.
done. Come on then, let's go to pay for our pumpkins.